Hello guys, today we will show you how can you post high quality videos on Instagram. So for this you need to follow 3 tips. The first one is instead of using Instagram video recorder, always use your own mobile phone video recorder. The second one is record the video with your phone video recorder with the maximum quality. Like if your phone can afford 9020 to 1080 pixel, then record the video with this resolution. And if your phone afford above, then record with that quality. The third tip is open your Instagram app. After it opens, tap on your profile icon which is at the right bottom. Now tap on these 3 lines which are at the right top. Tap on the first option, settings and privacy. Scroll it down, and here is the option data usage and media quality. Tap on this one. If data saver is on, simply turn this off. And the last one is turn on this feature, upload at highest quality. When you will turn on this feature, after this you can upload the video through your gallery with the highest quality on Instagram app. So by following these 3 tips, you can upload the video with the highest quality on Instagram app.